Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fatika Farah Firdaus from class 2H. On this occasion, I will present the material of information communication technology as a play media and learning media. First, the introduction. Advance in information and communication technology or ICT have significantly changed the world of education and children's life. ICT not only serves as a tool for learning, but is now also used an interactive and educational playground. Fabriana et al. 2020 explained that the utilization of ICT is a learning resource can increase students' interest and attention and facilitate the learning process at the primary school level. Various application and digital media such as learning videos, learning quizzes, and interactive simulation have been proven to be able to increase student enthusiasm and learning outcomes. On the other hand, ICT also has a very important role in children's play activities. Adavia 2022 points out that platforms like TikTok can help the development of young children's physically intelligence if used in the right way. However, the use needs to be accompanied by appropriate supervision and guidance. Uyungnya et al. 2022 warned that without proper supervision, children may be more interested in entertainment content than educational purpose. Thus, strategies for integrating ICT in learning and play must be designed to be workable, educational, and appropriate for children's development stage. Next is definition of ICT. Fabian et al. 2020 explained that ICT includes all types of technology used to send, process, and store data during the learning process, with the aim of improving the quality and efficiency of education. Meanwhile, Lestari and Pratama 2021 argue that ICT function as a tool in teaching and learning activities, including computers, the internet, and digital media, so that access to information becomes easier and accelerates the learning process. ICT as learning media. First, Kahoot as an interactive learning media. Kahoot is a game-based quiz platform that aims to increase student engagement and motivation. Research conducted by Niyama et al. 2023 show that Kahoot successfully increased student motivation in biology with a high average score of 81.5. In addition, Santoso and Widianti 2023 showed that Kahoot made the learning evaluation process more fun and was able to reduce the anxiety felt by students. The second, Google Classroom for online learning. Google Classroom is a tool that makes it easier for a teacher to organize online learning, send assignment, and communicate with students. Based on Munasiyah et al. 2023, more than 83% of teachers utilize this platform effectively for distance learning at the primary school level, thus supporting the continuity of learning activities during the pandemic as well as in the hybrid learning system implemented. Third is WordWall as an interactive learning media. WordWall offers various interactive games such as quizzes, random well games, and word matching activities to support active learning methods. Research from Nugroho et al. 2023 revealed that WordWord can increase the motivation to learning mathematics in elementary students, while Aminati and Jasia 2025 report that 100% of students showed an increase in learning activities and Al-Quran Hadith lesson using this media. Fourth, and the last Quipper is an online education platform that support the blended learning model with structured materials and practice questions. Research conducted by Larasati et al. 2023 show that Quipper makes it easier for teacher to deliver material, but student participant in online activities is still relatively low, which indicates the need for additional approaches to maximize results. Next is ICT as a play media. Information and communication technology, often referred to as ICT, serves as a tool for play. It involves the use of digital technology, which includes apps, softwares, and online platforms to provide play activities that are educational, engaging, and fun. ICT-based play media is created not only for fun, but also to aid cognitive, motoric, social, and emotional development in children. A study by Mujtahida et al. 2022 showed that TikTok can enhance motor skill in children aged 5 to 6 by combining movement and music. Kids improve their coordination by mimicking dance for TikTok video. Additionally, Zolfa 2023 research found that educational game workflow increase children's interest in learning through fun and interactive active like quizzes and crosswords. Next is benefit of ICT. First is as a learning media. One, increase learning motivation. According to research by Niyama et al. 2023, the use of Kahoot as a game-based quiz tool can increase student motivation in biology lessons. The second, easier access to information and materials. Fabriano et al. 2020 revealed that information and communication technology, or ICT, helps expand the range of learning materials and accelerate the process of delivering information. And the last, increasing learning independence. Adawiyah 2022 states that children who use digital media in a directed way become more active and have more independence in learning. And next is benefit of ICT as play media. First, awakening creativity and imagination. Buana and Maharani 2020 found that the use of TikTok can stimulate creative thinking in children aged 8 to 12 years. Second, improves cognitive skills. Chandana and Mayar 2023 show that the game of Chongklak in digital form can help preschool children in their counting skill. The last, third, improving social and emotional interaction. Oktasari et al. 2023 suggests that play together on digital platforms has a positive effect on children's social behavior at an early age. Next is implementation of ICT. First, ICT enriches teaching methods by providing an active, collaborative, and student-driven learning environment. Second, the use of ICT allows students to construct knowledge independently and contextually, enhancing 21st century skills such as critical thinking, communication, and problem solving. Third, in Kenya, the success of ICT implementation depends largely on the role of school leaders who are visionary, capable of strategic planning, providing infrastructure, and distributing responsibilities to staff will be more successful in integrating ICT. Next is challenges of ICT implementation. First is external. For external, first, infrastructure limitation, lack of hardware or computers and projectors, unstable internet network, and universally available electric. The second is limited funds. School cannot afford to purchase or maintain ICT equipment and on an ongoing basis. Third, lack of policy support and national vision. Many developing countries do not have strategies plan and policies that support ICT implementation. And the last, weak school leadership. Not all principals have the competence or willingness to be ICT pioneers in their institution. Next is internal. First, lack of teacher competence. Many teachers are not adequately trained in the use of ICT, both technically and pedagogically. The second, negative or hesitant attitude towards technology. Some teachers are afraid or reluctant to use technology, especially those who are not familiar with it. And last, lack of time. Teachers are already overburdened with administrative tasks and do not have time to develop or implement ICT-based media. Next is solution to ICT implementation challenge. First, leadership training for school principals. School principals need to be trained in technology integration and policy development in order to effectively lead ICT implementation. The second, provision of technology infrastructure by government. The government is advised to provide technology devices such as computer and computer lab in school that like facilities. Third is development of technical support staff. School needs trained IT staff who can assist in the maintenance of device and support teacher in the use of technology. Fourth, educational technology support for teacher. Teacher needs support not only in technical aspect, but also in the pedagogical use of technology to enhance learning. And this reference, and the last is conclusion. The utilization of information and communication technology, or ICT, in children's education and play is very beneficial for improving children's motivation to learn, independence, and cognitive, social, and motor development if used appropriately. However, its implementation is still constrained by external factors such as lack of infrastructure and police support, as well as internal factors such as teachers' low competence and hesitant attitude towards technology. To overcome this, leadership, training, infrastructure provision, technical support, and teacher coaching are needed so that ICT can be effectively integrate in learning and play activities. So that's all from me. If there are any mistakes in the delivery of this material, I say apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.